Riam's Creation, a government-registered renowned production house in northeastern region. A group engaged in promoting cultural activities. A very good exposure in producing short films and video series. Films exhibited at film festivals organized by Short Film Forum Adda with very good reviews. Well experienced in organizing musical events, bringing into light the lost and neglected cultural heritage of the region. Projection of a documentary on animal cruelty is in progress. Objective: to organize a high-profile theme-based reality show, create a cultural environment to build up confidence among the artists struggling to showcase their talents, to provide a competitive and appropriate platform to exhibit hidden talents of this region. This show promises to be one with a difference. No vulgar content will be encouraged. All contestants will have to follow socially acceptable norms of dress and conduct. Our focus is dance as an art form, not cheap popularity. Sponsors benefit. Lots of scope to attract worthwhile publicity due to its uniqueness and region-specific nature. A well-organized reality show with a systematic approach to achieve target-oriented goals. The presence of renowned star from Bollywood will certainly capture wide range of publicity, both on and off the screen. Scope for wide range of marketers benefit, right from telecom sector, cement industry, FMCG, consumer electronics to motor vehicles, etc. Audience voting scheme will benefit telecom sector in particular. Target audience: middle class family, cutting across all age groups and having multiple income and good purchasing power. The show is aimed to hunt culturally acclaimed hidden talents, which will certainly generate interest among young generation. It will be a platform to uplift artistic skill up to national level, which will definitely attract different quarters of society.
কৃষক বুলি মোক ঘূৰিকে নাচায় সেইদিনাতো নাঙলধাৰী বুলি কথা শুনাইছেই
আৰু তোমাৰ মোমাইৰা আমাৰ কথা গম পাইছে যেন পাইছো মোলৈ কেনেকে ফেসাটো নিচাই ঘুপাকে চাই যেন কংস মামা
কেহু নাচে কেহু হাসে কেহু বাহে দিলু কেহু বাহে দিলু বাহিক বাহে নাম ধনী আৰু সাৰে ধেনু কেলি কৰে বৃন্দাবনে
নবীন ঐ
রবি রবি রবি
অ নবীন নবীন এই তোৰ পথাৰ এইটো ৰং আৰু এই বছৰ ক'ত দেখিবলৈ পালা
ঐ এই হেন খৰাং বতৰ তোৰ কাৰণে খেতিটো উঠাব পাৰিলো বুজিছ
ঘুষ খাবলৈ পইচা দিলে মানুহজন ডুবালে আৰু এতিয়া মই আপোনালোক কি বুলি হৈছে মই পুলিচত চবৰে নাম দিম এটা এটাকে পেপাৰত ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ আখৰ